What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. She's natural today. This is my definition of natural makeup. Soft glam, I guess, you know, version. It's a vibe. I actually am gonna be taking my kiddos to the zoo today, so I wanted to get ready, but also I didn't want to wear like a shit ton of makeup and be like sweating through it because it is very hot today. So I will be doing my eyes as well as my face makeup today. The vibes are yellow, sunflowers, she's giving. So I will be sure to leave all of my products in the description box down below, but I will also be demoing everything for you guys today. Don't forget to stay tuned until the very end for an up close of my makeup. See the true beauty of the blend, baby. But yeah, if you're curious to see how I achieved this full face of makeup, then definitely keep on watching. The only primer that I have on my eyes right now is from cleaning up my eyebrows. So just essentially just literally under my brows and above my brows. So I'm actually going to start by taking the P.Louise Basic Bright in the shade Yummy Yellow. I'm just gonna lay this down like regular base. So just take some of that, take this little brush, and I'm just gonna tap this out. So I'm gonna take these e.l.f. tapes. I got these on Amazon. Taking the P.Louise All I See Is Signs eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start by taking this deep yellow, which is called Vision. So I'm just gonna start by taking this on a fluffy brush, just right off bat. I am going to go in with one shade lighter than this on the same brush. And then I'll go one shade deeper as well. But there is going to be a method to the madness here. So, I am just going to do this all in a half cut crease shape. Really just smoking it out, honestly. Then on that same brush, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Secret, which is a very nice pastel yellow. And I am just going to go over that. I think this eye look is going to be, I think this whole look is honestly going to be super simple. I'm going for a very, I'm going out today and I'm wearing this makeup out. So I want it to be super wear. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade P.Louise, which is that orangey shade. It's kind of orangey, see? I'm going to take this on the Doe Color No. 2 brush from their Neon set. And I'm just going to deepen this up. And then shade Vision. Dust it off. Shade Secret. Boom. Alright. I was gonna cut my crease with the P.Louise cut carver, but I don't think I'm gonna need a full-blown cut crease. Alright, so I'm just taking more of that Yummy Yellow base, and I guess my cut crease doesn't have to be too perfect, but I'm a perfectionist. So after I cut my crease, I'm just taking this fluffy flat brush and I'm going to blend these edges together. So now I'm going to take some more of that pastel yellow, which is called the Secret, and I'm just going to tap this down along the top of this cut crease, just to really define that line. So before I go in with any of my other yellow color, I'm going to start by taking the shade 1111, and I'm going to take it just on a tiny little flat brush. So I'm just going to do this like winged liner. But I'm gonna also angle it kind of in my inner corner a little bit. It's kind of like diamond shaped, you know? I'm gonna take a little pencil brush. I'm gonna take this brown, which is called Abundance. smoke that out a bit. With that same pencil brush, I'm then going to take the brown called Dreamer, which is it's kind of like a tan shade. I'm also going to smudge this wing out with that. And I'm going to take the shade Alignment. And I'm also going to go over that one more time. Then I'm going to take shade P.Louise, which is the deepest yellow. I'm going to go over all of that work again. Shade Vision. When I ordered the Ellie Star X Lele Posh highlighter palette, she also sent me this single shade. Let me pull it out for you. This is called Effervescent, which is this stunning gold. Now, the P.Louise palette does have a gold in it, so if you are recreating this and using this palette, you could definitely use that. This is the Lele Posh shade Effervescent. So either one looks really, really nice. Let's go ahead and move on to face makeup. So I always prime my skin before I even do my eyes or anything like that. So what I primed with today is I went in with the Nimia by Nikki Tutorials Where It All Starts cream. I then went in with the Touch in Sol No Problem primer. I then went in with the e.l.f. Power Grip primer, and then the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. And it just gave me this really beautiful glow. So I'm going to start by taking this Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation. This is a very light coverage, which I think is going to be perfect for what we're doing today. Oh no. So I'm just going to use this to even out my complexion. It's not going to really give me coverage, but it is going to help me tame some of my discoloration redness. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer because we're going natural today, baby. So I'm just going to go ahead and cream bronze. Okay, so this is with just foundation and bronzer. It looks very like summer. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Putty Blush. Turks and Caicos, I think is what it's called. I'm just going to use it on that same brush that I used to get this cream bronzer on. Oh my god. Whoa. That shade is so pretty. What? Okay, we're gonna do kind of sunburnt vibes, and I'm gonna do it. So we're just gonna bring this all across the face. I am gonna still go in with the concealer and more blush, low key. But we're just gonna the concealer is really gonna cover up a lot of this color, so we're gonna really go for it. She's giving super Sunkissed. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. And I'm going to just do this. In all the usual places I would conceal, but also a little extra coverage where I need it. I'm going to take the HNB Cosmetics. This is the Soft Focus Loose Setting Powder. I want something that's going to be soft, like this says. I'm going to go ahead and just set where I put that concealer with this powder. Now I'm going to take the Iconic London Bronzing Powder. And I'm just going to put this everywhere I put that cream bronzer. So literally just my cheeks and my forehead. I'm not going to contour my nose or anything because well, I'll probably put some like highlighter on the tip of it like how I would if I were contouring my nose, but that's just about it. I'm not going to put too much on my nose. So I really want a nice blinding highlight, so I'm going to take the Ellie Star x Lele Posh Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shade Boy Mom, which kind of has gold flecks in it. Look at that. I'm going to take the Kaleidos Space Age highlighter, and this is in the shade Solar Sailor, which is this beautiful gold. Now this isn't glittery, so what it's going to do is it's just going to give us that highlight, but smooth. Smooth. Do you need this much highlighter? 1000% yes. I need my makeup to stay all day. So I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So for under my eyes, I'm going to start by taking the shade 1111, which is the brown shade. So I'm going to smudge this brown just about as far as the top goes. Make sure it connects. I'll dust it off. I'll take shade Abundance. So essentially, I'm going to take the same shades that I used to blend the wing into the yellow under my eye. Then I'm going to take the gold out of the P.Louise palette. I would say that this gold in the P.Louise palette has more shine than the Ellie Star one, but I feel like the Ellie Star one would be so nice, maybe as like a highlighter or like a highlighter topper, but these are the vibes, just the difference. So I'm going to leave my waterline blank because I don't want my eyes to get dry while I'm out and about. But I'm going to take these Blend Buddy Cosmetics. These are the Virtue side, and these ones are on the I was gonna say the shade. These are in the style Saint. These hit different, girl. These hit different. Okay, so here is the completed look. Oh god, I love it so much. For my lip combo, I went in with the Nabi lip pencil in the shade Cappuccino, and then just P.Louise Holla gloss right over top. Super simple. Something also that I could touch up. I'm gonna give you guys a little up close of my face. This would be my definition of everyday makeup. So these are the vibes. Give you guys a little fit check. Not really, just the top to cover my shoulders. Have this little brown little crop top, and then just some tan jeans. Look at me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me, and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead. Roll the clip.